Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to clear cache file on your PC, then this video is for you. First, you have to simply click on this Windows button and simply search for disk cleanup. Simply here disk cleanup, here it is. So simply click on it, and from here you have to select the partition that you want to clean up. For example, the C partition, so C drive, I want to clean up the C drive. Now simply click on OK, and you can find all of the options, all of the temporary files that you can select from here. You can select all of them from here, and you can simply click on the clean up system file. Now select the system drive, so simply click on OK. Now it is just calculating, so you have to wait until it's calculated, and you can simply just like this, you can select them, and from here, and you can simply click on OK and delete files, and it will start deleting the cache file from here. So you have to wait until it completes deleting all the cache file, the unnecessary file on your system. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.